Hi, my name is Nick Elkin. I'm one of the directors of Flag Software. Flag Software has been established for 30 years or more, and it was set up with a mission to actually improve quality within automotive manufacturing. Within Flag Software, we have a great team of like-minded people who are very passionate about what they do.
I'm Sam Yarnell and I work for Flag Software as Business Development Manager, and my role and responsibilities are to source new clients for the software that we offer. For me personally, Flag Software is inspection quality software that allows manufacturers, specifically automotive, to make world-class products.
Hi, I'm Richard Mott. I'm the Portfolio Contracts Manager for Flag Software. It's my role to look after the operations team and customer relations. Working for the operations team, we cover the client side of things with our customers for support and projects. This actually means lots of site visits, so we regularly travel to our overseas clients. It also means site visits to the UK plants as well. So a big benefit of actually being able to go and see those, those plants, see how they're building their products, and see the software working in it. That really comes with the job.
My name's Harps. In 2017 and 18, I did a British Computer Society, worked for BCS, and did a course through them for Foundation in Business Analysis. The company provided all the funding for that, and I was allowed to take effectively 2-3 weeks off work to be able to complete that.
So I've worked for the business now for 15 years, and a big part of what attracted me to the business in the first instance was the culture. Culture is the personality of the business. It kind of defines the way in which we work.
As a team, we're very customer focused and spend a lot of time learning about our customers and what they do. We've built up great relationships with our customers and continue to develop these.
Adrian McAteer, I work on the Flags development team. I've been with the company now over 10 years, and we're quite a passionate, agile team of developers.
Overall, it's a dedication to the team, knowing the people you're working with are going to be like-minded, fairly driven people, and are committed to getting things done properly and getting things done quite quickly and turned around to deliver value to the people we work with. The biggest attraction of working on our software is how knowledgeable and how dedicated the team we have is. Within Flags, we kind of take care of it end to end, from initial project requirement or software requirement all the way through to support.
We build everything internally. We have dedicated developers for each portion of our product, so you can specialise in anything you particularly enjoy working on. We use the latest Microsoft tools. We work in a very agile way for our clients.
We work with the likes of Jaguar Land Rover, Bentley, Aston Martin, and to be able to say that we provide value to those kinds of customers day in, day out. It's quite nice at the end of a financial year to kind of, when they bring their financial statements out and they've got revenues in the billions, for us to be able to say, do you know what, we contributed to managing the quality of the products they put out every single day.
One of the benefits of working for Flag Software is the Perkbox subscription that we get. With that, we get discounts on cinema tickets and meals, restaurants, that kind of thing, and free phone insurance.
We can work from home a couple of days a week, so it's a very interesting team to work with and a very good company to work for.
So my favourite employee benefit has to be my birthday off. It's great to know that you can go and enjoy the day, and yeah, it's just an extra day's holiday, and it's really a great benefit.